Hi, good morning, good afternoon, guys. Right, I'm going to do a doner kebab. Basically, this is a fakeaway meal. People doing Slim and Wild or anything, any diets, want to take away tonight. It's Saturday, so you know, why not have a doner kebab? So basically, what you need today is one mixing bowl, okay, large mixing bowl, some smoked paprika, some hot chili powder, chili flakes, one onion diced very finely, one red chili diced deseeded, and 3 cloves of garlic, some minced beef, and a loaf tin lined with a loaf tin liner. You get this on Poundland, £2, that's £1, so £3 purchase. Thank you very much, Poundland. Alright, so basically what we do is we start off cutting the onion. So you know, a lot of people don't really realise this, but cut very finely. People that don't like onion ain't gonna taste it. So it's all going to be mixed in, and when it's cooking, you're gonna have all those lovely flavouring. Basically, I love cooking with onion. So I think onion is the favourite thing really. So let's put that in the bin. So one onion, whole onion, and what we're going to do, we're going to cut in half. Okay, so it's like that. Then what you're going to do next is very carefully just cut lines in the onion. Then go halfway horizontal or vertical. I think it's horizontal, can't really remember. With a knife, obviously. Go halfway up to the onion. Alright, not all the way, halfway up. Then you want to have an onion basically, so it's like that. Okay? See it? Just like that. Alright? Then what you do is grip it together. So left and right together, and you just let the knife do the work. Cut down. All you got to do is cut down. Cut all the way down, and you get bits like that basically. So what I'll do with that, you can either chuck it away or just quickly finely chop it up. Okay, now I'll do it like this. You know, if you get that little bit of big onion, doesn't really matter. Right, so your onion should now look like this. So nicely chopped. Obviously, yeah, you guys saw the massive chunk there, so I will finally chop it up. This don't really take much skill really, anyone can do it. Teach your kids it really, best thing about it. Get your kids involved. So basically, sorry about that. So basically your onion, you cut half the onion, so this bit you cut in, so you go across this way, alright, then halfway up the onion through, so it's about there, and you cut down. Okay, very easy, it's not really hard at all. What you got to remember is onions, they do make you cry. Alright, so you want to do it as quickly as possible, safe manner as possible. Some people use blender. Hang on. Right, some people use a blender, but you know, to be honest, one knife should do it. Obviously, if people suffer from arthritis, can't really hold an onion and knife together, that's fine. Use a blender. There's nothing wrong with it. Right, once you've done that, is main thing. Onions give a lot of gas off, so wash your chopping board. Hot soapy water. Just wash it down. Okay. So, as soon as that will be nice and washed, give it a good dry. I've got a glass one today. use glass, anything. Wooden is a good one. Obviously wash your knife as well. Just don't carry lots of gas on it basically from the onion. Right, so chilli. Best thing about chilli, alright, is wash your hands afterwards, okay? Not many people moan about this, but it will burn anything. So if you're going halfway through it, oh, I need a wee, come back, I'm burning. So I try and do it, go to the toilet before you do this, because it's easier. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut halfway down, okay guys? So you can remove the stalk, doesn't matter, alright? No, there you go, cut the stalk. See the pips inside? You don't want them in, okay? So, you know, some people always say to me, what do you remove all the pips? It's not nice, it's really not nice. See, some people will save the pips, dry them out, you've got chili flakes, but that's another story. So basically your chili should look like this now, okay? No seeds, okay? So this is before, seeds, this light colour bit here, just bring it out with your fingers, that's all you need, your fingers. Okay, like that, that's beautiful, absolutely beautiful that is. Alright. What I'm doing now is just cleaning the rest of the pips off, so you don't want that on your board. Alright, so very thinly, slice it down you would with a normal roasting pepper, okay? So you get some nice little thin strips like this, okay? Don't have to be strippy, don't have to, if you want chunky, do it chunky. I quite like it like this, because obviously it's going to be mixing with the beef, so you want all that flavour in that beef. Okay, you don't want a massive chunk of onion with a massive chunk of bit chilli, because obviously if you get people that don't really like hot stuff, it's going to put them off their meal completely. Or people who don't like onions, like my missus, she hates onions, but if you mix them in, cook them, just don't really notice. Which probably will after this video, but I'll take that bridge when I get to it. So a nice finely chopped little red chilli up. Alright, you guys probably haven't noticed I haven't mixed in my beef yet, because that's going to be last, okay? You don't want all this on top of your beef. You want your beef on top of this mixture, alright? Because obviously it's going to be absolutely amazing, and not only that, you're going to, if you put this with it, a bit of paprika, it's going to stick to it, and you're going to have to try and needle it through all the time. It's hard. You'll probably get some bits you cook in and be like, oh, that's a bit spicy, and the other bits like, where's the spice gone? No. Obviously you can make this differently. If you don't like spicy things, with IBS, that's the best thing. If you've got IBS, don't put your chilli in. Your chilli powder, that's going to be hot, but 1 tablespoon, mix it in with your beef, with your onion. You're not going to taste it, you're going to have a little bit of heat, but not too much of it basically. So what I'm doing now is just getting your onion, garlic. Alright, so just peel your garlic. While cooking, I'm always old school. Knife, wooden spoon. If you got it, a spatula basically, silicone spatula. That's brilliant. That's quite good. People use it for cakes. I use it for everything. Baked beans, swish it around. Absolutely amazing. Right. So I'm on the last garlic clove now. So all I do is chop the first bit off on the ends, just above. See where I've done it? So you've got the end bit there, so it's just above. Alright, and as you peel it, there, it comes away. Absolutely amazing. Alright, you just get that bit, basically, got a peanut. that scab off really, or a wound. Alright, and like before, get rid of your rubbish. You want to keep your workstation absolutely immaculate and tidy. Okay. Right, so got 3 bits of garlic. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't matter what size they are. It could be small, could be large, could be medium. You know, that's large, that's a big one, that's a small one. It really doesn't matter. Right, and basically with this, you can use a garlic crusher, but with me, there we go, knife. And what you do is you place garlic under the knife. I'm going to show you on top of it. You do it under the knife and you push down on it. Okay, push down. Look at that, it's crushed. Okay, and again, look at that, it's not even doing anything really. Look at that, see, that's crushed. Get all 3 chilies together, just finely chop. Okay, what you need is your fingers like that. Okay, you have it like that, you can chop your fingernails off. Have them like that. Okay, girls, if you've got manicures, pedicures, whatever you call it, fake nails, the garlic will stick underneath your nails. So you're better off getting someone to do this. Obviously, if you've got arthritis and you can't keep your fingers like that all the time, that's totally fine. Food processor it, chop it up for that. Obviously, if you're doing a food processor, just a whiz. Okay, so basically that's your garlic there, nice and chunky. Alright. There we go. This garlic's really sticky, stinks. I love garlic, I love to smell it, but most people don't. So just wash your hands. It is going to smell pretty much all throughout the day, but it's nice. It's a nice smell, to be honest. Right, so got your main mixture here. Okay, so I'll quickly show you. That's your main mixture there. Hang on.